I'm presenting you a simple recipe for you to get at home anti-hunger pills that are all natural, that's right, and that work every time. The first thing you want to do is to go get some goat's or sheep's raw cheese. One that has only the raw animals' milk and some salt. Nothing else. Secondly, you're gonna cut the cheese into pill-sized portions. And when I say pill-sized, I mean really small. And whenever you feel pissed, you take them as needed. If you wake up slightly pissed or whatever, take half a pill. If you feel quite pissed, take one, wait a few minutes. If you're still pissed, take half more or another more. Just like a medication. But beware, dairy in the form of either milk or cheese is addictive. And some people actually sometimes are mad, are hungry because they are lacking the casein protein or whatever the compound that is making the addictiveness inside your body. And then, just like a baby, you start desiring that, but babies cry, you get hungry. In this form of writing, hungry with an A. But there are, just as you know, 3 other types of dairy that are non-addictive. So use this as medicine, but use cream, whether in typical liquid form, in butter. You know, butter is 100% cream, and sometimes they add some salt, and in some cases they add some lactic ferments, which I totally discourage you try, or in iced form. That's right, ice cream. From the moment it's purely cream, it's a keto-friendly dessert that you can have all day, every day, for as much quantities as you wish, because it's gonna allow your body to, through cholesterol, feed your hormones. It's gonna stabilize your mood hormones. It's gonna improve your testosterone. If you're having hot flashes in the menopause, if you're having mood swings in your period, have some 100% cream ice cream. Add more butter to your foods. Have some liquid cream. These are 100% non-addictive, and they are also free from reactions in terms of sensitivities, which used to be called intolerances. The only caveat is that you use something organic and ideally raw, since if it's not the case that it is a good quality, people get allergic reactions. I was eating not so ideal butter with lactic ferments, butter which wasn't organic, and I got some pimples on my face. Now I've been going only on organic butter, cow's butter, not even raw. Actually, it was pasteurized, and my pimples are going away. So there you have it. If you're being hungry, take these homemade sheep or goat's milk raw cheese pills only as needed. For example, today I woke up pissed and I took a pill into my mouth. I just tasted it and then I spit it out. I didn't even take it in, and it was enough for me to stabilize my mood. For other cases where you might be more hangry, taking a higher dose might be needed. But it's by far better that you take an addictive compound but that will stabilize your mood and improve your life quality, the quality of your day, the quality of your relationship with yourself and with others, than to avoid it and then be miserable. Whether you're a woman on your period, a woman on your menopause, a man, either you're an elder man, an adult man, a young man, a kid, doesn't matter. Cream in whatever form is wonderful for as long as you get from a healthy source. Organic is more safe. It is non-addictive and it will improve all of your hormones. Never forget that. If you found any sort of value in this video, please leave a like. If you want to share any sort of opinion that you have about this topic, please open the comments and write whatever you feel. As long as you're respectful, I totally encourage, and I'm very excited to listen and read what you said. And if you want to check more videos around body, in this case nutrition, or around family, including finding the best partner according to your looks, according to your height, according to your birth date and other things, and also some other videos about home planning, design, architecture. I also put out those as well, so hit the subscribe button if you enjoy this type of content. Thanks.